Hi there, this is Chris with MuseGrid, and in this series of videos we're going to show you how to make buttons from scratch. Now, buttons form the basis of most UI kits, so being able to make impressive, complex and great looking buttons is an essential part of building your website kits, patterns, projects and calls to action. So we're going to teach you how to make these basic buttons, but we're going to go on to these more complex buttons as well and show you how we create all of these different types of buttons so that you know how to use just the tools in Muse to make all of these different types of buttons, and of course then use those skills to create your own UI kits and your own looks for your projects. Now, the great thing with learning how to use these tools is that once you know how to put the different effects and text styles together, you can create incredible looks with just the Muse tools. So we can take these skills and take them from just buttons and apply them to all of our different UI parts in our projects. So let's go ahead and get started with making these basic buttons.